You don't know it's a girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo! How are them? Punky, come on now. Like we're going somewhere, right? Stephanie, not ready. I mean, I leave now. Me can't take her. She take 1.5 to get ready. Stephanie! Come, you find me? Really no. So guys, this is the next clip. Remember I told you guys that we were going somewhere. It's today. And but now make Stephanie me late. No, Stephanie. No. Later on maybe we'll do the outfit of the day because they're running late now. And hopefully me have everything because I'm in a ramping. But today is gonna be a late day. So excited. We're going to Chukka Adventures. Like a gift for me put together for that liquor. You know, my other half bay. So she's excited about that. I'm excited as well. Yeah. Funny, why are you late? You look excited though. I'm excited if it's gonna be you. Say good morning to the vlog. Where are you? Not sure. Stephanie, come on now. Why you do that? What? We're late. Say good morning to the vlog.
If we're late, why you talk to the vlog for? No mess, I'm tired of you.
Anyways, guys, when you're at the place, you'll see us. How much time they say you have on this?
Good morning, sir.
My name is Mr. Cool, but I'm not cool at times.
Okay, Mr. Cool. Sorry to be late.
Oh, no, man, they're no good.
I'll find
What?
I'll find some.
So we're on the bus now. We're on our way. We almost got left because of her.
So guys, we're here now. We're just reached. Hi, good day. Huh? Oh, I'm morning. This still. Where do we go?
You just wait for me.
Oh, okay. So we're here now. It's Good Hope. And Punky, hold it. Hold it.
Yo, what up, that boy? You don't know?
I'm supposed to pay for the transportation. Where is the information there, so? We just locked away our stuff. We're gonna do the zip line now. It's gonna be pretty late. We're not supposed to have our phone, but I'm gonna keep one of the phones, so when Punky's on the zip line, I video, then when I'm on the zip line, shoot videos.
So
I don't know, you're going up on the next side. So maybe the first one, when you have video me for the next event, thing me video. You understand? Skylife! Skylife TV, check it out. Please remember to subscribe. Hit that subscription button, show the love, leave a comment. Go on now. I hate it when you do that. Get somebody this. How much somebody this? Yo! Guys, we get Chukka just coming off the zip line. We did like about 7 zip lines. 5. Yeah, they never did that bad, but I don't know my extra already. Queen extra. So it was kind of bit extra. For me, the only thing that I would say is mosquito them to kill up here and sitting.
Yeah, like seriously.
And when we did all the areas, we went over like the river, through the bushes, through some trees. You know, great experiences, you know, and this is what Skylife is about, and I'm so excited, you know, that really, the vision that I have for Skylife is really unfolding, you know. You know that accomplishment feeling there? What is? You know, accomplishment feeling there. I'm just so excited. So we're gonna move on to our next thing and sit no, maybe have lunch or something. Greatness, guys. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. I'm excited. So right now we're going to have no, we're having juice. I'm having punch, and Stephanie's having what are these? Coca-Cola. After this, we're gonna be doing tubing. You're not gonna see us actually doing the activities because we can't have our phones. But I must tell you, they're very exciting. You know, great experience. So something here is strong. Too strong for me. Too strong for me. So we're gonna change off and go ahead and do the tubing. I don't know what's next after that in terms of activity. We have to go back to the information desk each time we finish an activity. So that's what we're gonna do. The truck gone? No? So guys, we're currently going on the truck for lunch. No. We have Punky around there, so. But there, so. Stephanie, stop cussing, please. We're not late. So, I feel sick. Like me a job. And up on the back, I did one ride, you know. I really wanted to ride on the back. I think we'll have to go in the front. What this? I'm gonna go up. So guys, we are driving in the front of VIP. See guys, I'm around there, so say hi. I don't know if they want video, Jesus please. I'm saying so. Yeah, so I'm very hungry. I drink one juice. I have my head away. I don't drink nothing at all because I can't manage it and stuff. So we're gonna head to lunch now. Later. Punky. Punky. You're too fat. You're too enough. Very disrespectful and distasteful. So we're walking to lunch now. I have a pool right there, so. I have Punky over there, so. I'm very hungry. I feel like I'm drunk. No, I don't know why I'm drinking something. I know I can't manage anything today. No, pool right there, so. So, very excited. We're gonna have jerk chicken and festival. I think that's what they have planned for us. Here, I'm hungry. Eh? You behave now?
a great house. Mash up now, tell lie. Can't look at them eye, them and see. Currently heading to the pool. Right, that's all. You want to go on the slide? Not now? You go on it? Of course. I'm gonna go on it. What? Let's go over that side. Let's go over. No, I don't like those chairs. Stephanie, Punky. What up, Skylife? Mom, come in there now. Oh, come. Deep. What up, Skylife? Listen to me. Okay. To thief, I'm gonna play with that. Stephanie, I walk. So what you do, Melica? So thief fun. You can't swim in the water. Guys, I'm having a really good time, you know? Skyline. There's a falls up there, we're gonna go on it. We're considering if we should go in that long slide, it's very long. But the last time I got in that slide, I'm under the bill. She hit me up really bad. So I'm wondering about it. That's what we're doing now. So guys, we're about to start. I'll come back though. I'm going to keep that up. is coming down. The test of the phone are really waterproof. Samsung Galaxy 6 Edge Plus. Oh god. Walking up. I think we're going in the slide. The slide is very long and a big part of it is really dark and I'm kind of afraid of that. But I think we're gonna do it anyways. I'm not gonna come up here come get sick. So that's what we're doing. Getting frightened? This is a speaker. It's a stone. Pretty cool. Yeah. So I think I want to go in the slide. Too much money not going in the slide. Yeah, puppy show?
Coming out, going there.
The puppy show? And chase after girl. I just have 2 minutes recording time left. And I don't know how come. What? Okay guys. We just finished a great house tour. That's Good Hope in Trelawny. And now we're going to be doing the wine tasting. Everybody's already here. So that's what we're gonna be doing. Up here kind of dark so I can't record it. So guys, we just finished the rum tasting. That's appleton rum tasting. Pretty strong alcohol. My head hurts. I can't take alcohol. She drink coffee or something. So no, I'm not drink. We just taste it. But it was good, a little bit strong but good. We're going to the Bird Ivory now, and that should conclude our day. I'm very tired. I need to lay down or something. And that's that. That's what we're doing now. We're going to the Bird Ivory. I guess Stephanie's gonna catch me when I'm inside. But yeah, guys, we're in the Bird Ivory now. Punky cola kawa. We're looking at some birds. Punky, come look at the bird foot that's there. Come look on the bird foot. Your foot. How your foot stay so?
One picture of him also.
The phone battery is about to die now. This is where we end this vlog. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscription button. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscription button. Definitely show love. Leave a comment below on any video you want to see us do. We're surely to get it done. So we're gonna get ready to go now. Thank you for stopping by.